Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition front wheel hub bearing assembly that fits a variety of GM trucks, including Chevy, Cadillac, GMC. This includes the Escalade, Avalanche, Silverado 1500, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra, Yukon, and more. So this wheel bearing assembly fits either the front driver's side or front passenger side. It's going to be the same on both sides of the vehicle. As you can see here, it's the actual wheel hub assembly here that includes all of your wheel studs pre-pressed in place. If we flip over here, you'll see the actual wheel bearing assembly that's included, and it also includes a new ABS wheel speed sensor. Let's get a look at the wheel bearing here. So the installation of this is pretty straightforward. You'll remove your factory wheel hub and bearing, and this one installs in the reverse order. If you're not familiar with installing wheel hubs, there is a variety of things that need to be done. The torque specs are very important. The torque specs will vary depending on the vehicle, and you also want to make sure that you lubricate the splines here so that when the drive shaft or the axle is being inserted in there, you don't run into issues with it getting stuck in the hub in the future. Now, if you guys have any questions about the wheel hub assembly, if it fits your truck, anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help.